Hi, my name's Angie. This is a product I'm working on called Scamp. It's a design tool for designers that want to have a familiar design experience of working on Canvas and manually editing their designs and working with code. If I create a new project, you can see that I have an artboard like I would with something like Figma or Sketch. I can draw rectangles in here. I can add text. And I can move these around just how I would on any other design tool. I can also do things like edit from the visual editor. I can create layouts, add a center layout. So you can see I could just do the normal things like I would on utilizing Figma. I could also jump into the CSS editor and I can add any CSS property that I want to any element on the canvas. So if I wanted to add a border to this, I could do it directly from CSS. And now you could see that border got applied. Um, I can also edit what I added from CSS from here. So it's a bidirectional sync. All of these files are saved directly as code. It's in the React page style format, so you could add these to your React projects. You could give them to a coding agent, and the coding agent can take this code and help you implement it as well. The other thing that you could do is we have a built-in terminal, so I can run Claude Code directly in this product, and I can ask Claude to start giving me some sort of design, and then I could take over from whatever Claude generates and edit it to however much I want. Um, Within the project folder for this project that I created, there's an agent.md file, and that has instructions for your coding agent on how to work within the Scamp ecosystem. But for now, it's just pretty close to an experience you would have um, in something like Figma, except the coding agent is built in, and you have full control over everything, unlike you would have in something like the new Claude design. So I can come in here and I can fully edit the CSS. I could change the theme if I wanted the primary color um, to be something different, kind of a lighter forest green. There we go. And I just updated my theme and it updated the styles to this already. You can see that um, this has had flex applied to it, so it's using a flex layout. Um, it just really, I really wanted to build something that was the way that I wanted to design, which was kind of this meeting of coding and working on the canvas directly. So I have my visual design, but sometimes I'm just much faster in CSS. I can ask coding agents to help me out, but I still want to retain, as much creative control as I can. That way, I'm not trying to build designs or pass off designs that become stale. Oftentimes people been talking about AI slop and AI purple. There's all these designs that are coming from Cloud Code that have this kind of subdued purple tone. And I really want to take something that is unique and original and works well for users, but I still want to utilize some of the more modern tooling. So this is what I built. If you want to play around with it yourself, you can download it for free at scampdesign.app. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks so much.